And Sam, that 3 to 7 p.m. they're saying is supposed to be the most heaviest traffic, but it's all supposed to be some time for rain.
It just so happens, coincidentally, that looks like the time period where the storms are going to be the strongest. The rain could be coming down the heaviest. So if you do need to go out and travel today, recommend doing it basically between now and say 3 o'clock. And then I would hunker down inside for a few hours just because the rain could be coming down at potentially blinding rates. We're going to talk about that more coming up. Let's first talk a little bit more about some Memorial Day history. The warmest was back in 1981, 94 degrees. Coldest, believe it or not, 33, 1967. Notice that wettest number, 1956, 1.44 inches. If we get under enough downpours right over the airport today, I could see potentially that being challenged today, potentially being the wettest Memorial Day on record. That's going to happen this afternoon, and that's why today will be the worst bet of the week. We'll call it a 3 out of 10 with some showers and then some afternoon downpours. It will be breezy. We're feeling that right now, but just wait a little bit because later on in the week, things are going to improve dramatically. We're going to feel much comfortable. The humidity is going to drop, and Friday right now is looking like a 9 out of 10. We look outside in Schenectady right now. Freihofer Skycam, flag blowing like crazy, winds up to 30, even pushing 40 miles an hour in some spots, but we're mostly dry across the region right now. A few little light showers over, say, Greene County. But this is the main event off towards our west. There's some thunder and lightning associated with this line, and this line's only going to likely intensify as the atmosphere is destabilizing right across our region right now. The sun peeking out is actually causing the atmosphere to be a little bit more out of balance. The humidity is very high, so that's a recipe for, again, some of these storms to intensify a little bit and that line of showers just to blossom. It's associated with a cold front that's all going to have to drive through, but it's going to be relatively slow moving, the system as a whole. So over the next few days, even though the rain chances are not going to be nearly as high as today, we're still going to be contending with some showers. But right now, we're contending with the gusty winds. Gusts up to 33 in Albany, 37 in Glens Falls. It's 30 miles per hour in Rutland, and temperatures overperformed a little bit. We're sitting at 80 degrees right now in Albany. Earlier, I was anticipating maybe just getting up into the mid-70s, so that, again, could just be a recipe for these storms to have a little bit more juice to them. Dew points are very high. It feels quite muggy outside, in the 60s, but behind this front, which, again, is very slow-moving, it feels super comfortable. So that type of comfortable air mass will be here over the next few days, but we're still going to have to, or is going to be here, excuse me, by the end of the week, but we're still going to have to contend with these showers for the next few days, including especially through this afternoon. Look at 4 o'clock. This is a snapshot of these strong downpours swinging on through. Can't rule out some gusty winds, even some damaging level winds, especially off towards the west. Even some small hail, small to moderate sized hail is a possibility. This line pushes on through between, say, 3 and 7 o'clock from west to east. And I think the rest of the evening, it's just more scattered showers. Overnight tonight, we should really be drying out. And tomorrow starts out with more sun, but into the afternoon, it's just some spotty showers around. So it's spotty showers on Tuesday, and then a similar story on Wednesday. But here's the rainfall for today. It's looking like, broadly speaking, at least 3/4 of an inch of rain. But you get under some of those downpours where there's some enhancement, places like the Catskills, like the Adirondacks, potentially locally over 2 inches of rain. And that's why I'm a little bit concerned in those spots coming down for a prolonged period of time. For over a short window, you could deal with some flash flooding concerns. So be aware of that. We will keep you updated with that and these storms push through later this afternoon. But tomorrow, again, improvement, just a chance of a shower in the afternoon. Similar story on Wednesday, a little bit cooler, mid to upper 70s, just a chance of a shower, better chance off towards the south. And then we really start to turn a lot more comfortable Thursday onward, upper 60s to low 70s on Thursday. Maybe a shower in the morning, but I think by the afternoon, we should be drying on out. So here's that 7-day forecast. Notice shower chances today, especially into the afternoon. Meteorologist Steve LaPointe will be here this afternoon taking you through those. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're dealing with some spotty showers, potentially into Thursday morning, but then we have a fantastic stretch as we enter June on Saturday. Low humidity, 70s by day, upper 40s to low 50s by night. Emma?
All right, Sam, thank you.